Are you gonna put it fast?
Yeah, you better be cleaning. Get your room clean. Come on. No, I'm not doing it fast.
Yeah!
Come on, Olivia.
Are you holding?
Mhm.
Guys, do that!
No, I'm not.
Sophie, that's not putting away. Guys.
Put them in here.
Sorry. Daddy, Mama.
No.
Daddy. I like that, Daddy. Do you like my brain? I have brain. I know.
Sicky boy. Are you sick? Oh, you don't feel good, do you?
Really doesn't.
Have a smile? Yeah? Let me see. Let me see. There's a smile. Even though you're sick.
Careful, Ella. Elle, careful.
What are you doing, Elle? Is it not working?
Can you turn the car on?
Yeah.
Do it again. Okay. Ah. Say la la la. Uh-oh. Where you going? Bye. What are you doing? Okay.
That's fun.
Straight legs up. Oops, not on your head. Almost. Get those feet up.
I did.
Put your hands by your arms. Put your arms by your ears. There you go.
Because I touch it.
You gotta get those legs up. You're getting your butt up, but you're not getting your legs up.
Yeah.
Stop, Olivia. Almost. Not on your head, Olivia. Olivia. Not on your head, silly. Your butt's on the couch. Get your butt off the couch.
I did it. I did it.
Let me see you do it.
I just fell back.
Doing it backwards, Ella? Try doing it backwards like Ella is. That might be helpful. Whoa, not over here, girl. Here you go, that's better.
Mommy.
What are you doing over there, buddy? You playing Wii? It's not on.
Uh-oh.
Tell
Whoa. Lily. She's really stretching out everything. Even her. The limit. There you go.
Okay, everyone quiet and listen. What is this picture of?
Jesus.
Where's Jesus? You see the baby? Come here, Ella, look. Oh. Get that, Mom. The hanger stuck in your mouth. Here, look.
There's a booger hanging.
Ella, look. Sophie, you see the picture? Come here.
Jesus and
So,
Mary.
why do we celebrate Christmas?
Because it's Jesus' birth.
It was Jesus' birth.
And Tuesday is his birthday.
Yeah. Alright, now I'm going to read this and we'll be quiet and listen, okay? Okay, listen. This is how the birth of Jesus Christ came about. His mother, Mary, and Joseph had promised to get married, but before they started to live together, it became clear that she was going to have a baby. She became pregnant by the power of the Holy Spirit. Her husband Joseph was a godly man. He did not want to put her to shame in public, so he planned to divorce her quietly. But as Joseph was thinking about this, an angel of the Lord appeared to him in a dream. The angel said, "Joseph, son of David, don't be afraid to take Mary home as your wife. The baby inside her is from the Holy Spirit. She is going to have a son, and you must give him the name..." What? Jesus, yeah. That is because he will save all people from their sins. So that's why they named him Jesus, because he was going to save everybody from their sins, right?
Yeah.
All of this took place to bring about what the Lord had said would happen. He had said through a prophet, "The virgin is going to have a baby. She will give birth to a son, and he will be called Emmanuel." The name Emmanuel means God with us. Joseph woke up. He did what the angel of the Lord commanded him to do. He took Mary home as his wife, but he did not make love to her until after she gave birth to a son, and Joseph gave him the name Jesus. Yep.
Record my face, okay? You can record me doing this. Tell them what we're doing.
We're making ornaments for our neighbors.
Not for our neighbors. Who are we making ornaments for? Family?
For family.
What's on the ornament?
A fingerprint.
Fingerprints. So how many fingerprints are on the ornament?
6.
No. Look at you! Are you Superman? Oh, your foot's kind of coming out.
I love it. Sean, we're going to do the Christmas ones.
Yeah, but his legs were cold. What do you do with my glasses?
Stop. Sean, are you Superman?
This carpet needs to be...
You can put it right here, Mom. You should wear that for Halloween. Super! Okay, Mama. Superman! I'm trying Superman. Mommy, come on. Look on me. Superman. I did Supergirl. I did Supergirl, Mom.
Supergirl.
Oh, I've got to say Supergirl. I have to say Supergirl. Yeah, me too. Supergirl. Supergirl.
Don't hit the camera. Brush your hair.
Brush your hair.
Oh.
Ow.
Gentle. Oh, good job.
Tomorrow's Christmas. Ow. Tomorrow's Christmas, Mommy.
No, tomorrow's Christmas Eve.
Well, that's when we open presents. And I can wait. Ow.
Okay, Ann.
Ow.
Turn the brush over, buddy. There you go. He can do it. What do you think, Ella? Do you like when Sean brushes your hair?
No.
Why not?
Mommy.
Okay.